Hi everyone, this is John Wen. Today is October 31st, 2019. I will record this video to briefly talk about what have been done in past week. So, I was busy reading paper for qualify exam recently, and so the progress of the project is going a bit slow. But I hope to let you know the current status and what kind of testing have been done. So here is a old code that is to use a PHP file on another server, but we're supposed to using the same server. However, because we are using the HTTPS and we open one port for the dataview.org server, so that causes a problem if we want to serve another PHP website on this same server, and that will cause a problem. So we are trying to get rid of this PHP file and try to get the pull the files from the Dropbox with the token access directly. So I have looked up a lot of websites like the Dropbox API documentation and take a look in detail and find maybe but I haven't get much time to test it yet, but I think it's promising that we might be able to get the same JSON file content from JavaScript or from the Java directly. So that is the next step I will do. But before that, I did some testing based on the result we have. So right now there is a internal server that holds a dropbox.php file successfully. If I give the correct post request, and it will return a very overview JSON content to my app. So I take this and hard code it in the current website. So you can see here this is a real content from my Dropbox, and here is also another real content. I didn't format it well, but it's really long. So while I test it, I can see it's loading correctly on each side, but currently there's only one problem, that is we are unable to drag it into the panel. So I think partial problem is that because these tasks hasn't been put into the workflow lib directory, and we haven't put it here, so it's not able to be dragged. But then I think I will look into later and see if there's any way to make it work, as well as to get the JSON file directly from the Dropbox API through JavaScript or Java directly. So yeah, I think that's pretty much what today I will talk about, and hopefully this will be helpful for the future work. Thank you for your time.